Rainy journal updates.
We stayed in El Yelmo and it's just raining. So this morning we woke up and went, let's go to Algodonales. Let's go.
Which we were trying to avoid, not to drive that far down.
Just the only place where it seems like there's
Nowhere.
any flying. Yeah, we're back in Algodonales. Finally we managed to escape the rain. And oh yeah, it's my birthday. I'm 37. I'm older. There's a cleaner. Hopefully we have a nice flight. We've moved from the northerly launch to Poniente. See if anything starts to happen. So Andrew took us down to this landing field where we have to cross a raging river. Let's cross. Oh, it feels so nice.
And we are at the Bosque. Second day of your birthday, buddy!
You got me some cake?
Yeah, like proper birthday cake.
Another day, another hike after El Bosque. It's hot as hell, huh? We're gonna burn. We've been going for a good 30 seconds. Today's birthday too.
Happy birthday, Bonnie, and may you have a wonderful 37 years old here. No flying, but hiking.
And El Bosque.
At least it's not raining.
Where are we? Yep. This used to be where we ground handled, but so much rain this season. This is what it felt like when I was in China. Everyone's staring at us. Today, Lemonade is at the garage, hopefully getting her brakes fixed. Kalina's doing that, and I'm bored.
I know, that's why I'm gonna ignore you.
You're drawing shapes! That's so boring!
Get away.
Do something interesting! Bored! You play a game. We're at Poniente. Hopefully it looks like it might be a good day. People shut up before.
You guys still
A little bit of a cross country from Algo. We launched off the other side of that mountain and then landed here. And Kalina landed back there somewhere.
Look at that, there's zero wind.
I'm just gonna sit inside and do some nice salads. How about he's gonna try to fly? It's just so hot. That's strong.
Just had a little 12-minute flight at Rwanda. Cleaners there, we had lunch. We are at El Bosque, 34 degrees, and it's hot. It is hot. We are going to fly. Feels pretty strong, huh? So I just tried out the Ion 5. Thanks, Rob. Nice plane. First time flying it, and I top landed at El Bosque, which I've never done before. Goddamn bugs in my ears. It's middle of June and it is so hot. It's 37 degrees today. And I think we found the only shade in Spain, right? And this hut at the bottom of Algo in this free camper van spot. And I was not sure if I'm going to go fly today, just because it is so hot. I don't know if I can stand in the sun for very long. Whew. Cleaners feeding him flies in water. Cutest doing cutest. He just pooped it out too.
Yeah.
You ready? Ready to keep driving? We're on our way back to Annecy. We're going to stop near the beach and do some soaring first, I think. In Alicante. It is hot. Toilet time. Santa Pola, huh?
Santa Pola.
At the launch. We were here 2 years ago, I think. We had some really nice flights. And look at that water. So we're probably going to go stay down there tonight. There's a few campers. And so we have come with lemonade down here. And we are going to go for a swim before we head back up to France. Sexy pose, bunny. How are you enjoying being by the sea, bunny? Beautiful, huh? Look at that sea. And tomorrow we go to the mountains, huh? To Annecy. 2 years ago we were here. Last time we flew we didn't swim. This time we're swimming. We're probably not going to fly. But we're going to eat Indian food. We ate Indian food last time. Right next to the beach. Full moon. Oh, it's so bright. Oh my god. Good morning. Last night we slept here by the beach. Buddy. Beach in Santa Pola. And there is the launch. There. Super late already. It's like 7:20.
In the Vanlife, we went and had an awesome morning on the beach.
Oh, you selling it, bunny. You selling it. All done for the day. Beautiful swim at 9 in the morning. Up to sleep in here. A nice little rinse with a shower. And now we're gonna hit the road. Head to Annecy. Thank you. Lemonade.
Bum, bum, bum.